In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI video generator tool that combines all the top AI video generators in one place. If you've ever used RunwayML, KlingAI, Genmo, Minimax, or LumaVideo, you know how powerful they are. But here's the best part. You can now use all of them together in one place with just one tool. This is a game changer for anyone who creates videos regularly. And the most interesting thing about this tool is that the videos generated with it have no watermark. That's really good. Now, if you want to create unlimited watermark-free videos, make sure to watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign up for the tool. Don't worry, the process is simple and fast. Just head over to Kaiber AI and click on the sign up button. Once you've registered, you'll be inside the platform where you'll see this dashboard. Now let's talk about how to use these AI video generators to create your own videos. Simply click on the Create button. Here you'll have access to the top models: RunwayML, KlingAI, Genmo, Minimax, LumaVideo, and many more. These are the big names in the AI video world. And the best part is that you can use all of them under one roof. Just pick the one you want to use, and the process is super easy. For example, if you choose KlingAI, you'll see a credit system. Each model requires credits, but don't worry, these credits are easily manageable. Now here's an interesting thing. If you ever use KlingAI for free, you might see that it takes 3 or 4 hours to generate a video. But with this tool, you can generate your videos in just 10 to 20 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. You can save a ton of time while still getting high quality results. One of the biggest advantages of this tool is that it allows you to create watermark-free videos. Many other platforms add watermarks to AI-generated videos, but here you get clean, professional-looking videos with no distractions. After selecting your generator, simply click on the Add to Canvas option. If you want to create a new video, just type your prompt. But if you have an image that you want to convert into a video, simply upload your image and type a prompt. Next, in video details, select the model. For example, I am using KlingAI, so I'm selecting the 1.6 model, which is very powerful. Then choose your aspect ratio and set the desired time duration. After setting all the details, hit Generate. Depending on the model you select, the time it takes to create the video may vary, but you'll always have a smooth, seamless experience. Plus, you can create multiple videos in no time with this powerful AI tool. Once you're happy with your video, you can download it, use it for your projects, and share it with others, all without any watermarks. Now, many of you might be wondering, here, we only get 50 credits, so how can we create unlimited videos? Well, there are 2 ways to do this. The first way is by creating multiple accounts and using the credits from each one. The second way is to check the description of this video, where you'll find a link to our WhatsApp community. Join our community, and there we've shared a trick that will allow you to create unlimited videos. Many people might wonder why we can't share the trick in the video. The simple answer is that our trick might violate YouTube's community guidelines. We don't want to take any risks of getting strikes on our channel. That's why we didn't find it appropriate to share the trick in the video. However, you can join our WhatsApp community where we've shared the trick, and you can use it to create unlimited videos. Once you have it, enjoy unlimited access to this amazing tool. So if you want to create stunning videos using the best AI tools out there, this is the platform for you. Before we finish up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to BitNext, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about these amazing AI video generators? Have you used any of them before? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Happy creating.